guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Finally, I am back and I am super motivated and ready to film some great 2019 content for you guys. Who else can't believe it's 2019 and who else does that make feel old as crap? Because I feel so old. As you can tell by the title, tonight actually delivered at my house at like 6:30 was the new Casey Holmes and Physicians Formula collaboration. I am so excited. I have not opened this yet. Still sealed down here. I have not opened it. I have not looked at it because if you guys follow me on Instagram or Twitter, which all of my stuff will be linked down below, I did a little poll and you guys really wanted to see this. So tonight I'm gonna sit down at like 8 o'clock and film a first impressions / review video. First of all, can we just, this packaging though, like this is so pretty, and even though it's January, beginning of January, I don't know, like this is just so cute and it makes me feel like spring and summer is just around the corner. But first impressions, like I was just saying, this packaging is super cute. I love the holographic palm tree accent. It says Physicians Formula Butter Collection, Casey Holmes. The back of the package has a super cute photo of her with a sweet message to her followers, and it also has a description with a list of ingredients of all of the different things that are in here, I'm assuming. So without further ado, oh my god, I can't wait. Let's crack into this. First, Bojangles break. Alrighty, are we ready? Okay, how do I want to do this? I'm gonna open it like this. Ah, wow. Okay, so when you open the package, we have another beautiful picture of Casey and another sweet message to us. And then it also has a daytime look and a nighttime look. And since it's 8 o'clock at night and I have nothing better to do on a Friday night, we're just gonna go ahead and do the nighttime look. But also the nitty gritty here is the products. There is a nice plastic cover on here, which I appreciate if you take it traveling. Wow, okay, as soon as you open it, it smells like the butter bronzer. And one of the things I was most excited for in here was the butter bronzer scent perfume, because I didn't even know this was a thing. I didn't know they sold this, so I'm so excited because now I can smell like bronzer. Does that sound weird? Here we have the deep bronzer, really pretty butter blush in the shade Copper Cabana. That's really pretty. It's got almost kind of a sheen to it, and I'm super excited about this butter highlight. This is a limited edition shade, which I believe that she helped create, and this is the shade Just Beachy. And then we have this nice quad down here of butter eyeshadows, and I think the first two shades were the ones she helped create and the other two are existing shades. Correct me down below if I'm wrong. But above this it says limited edition, and we've got the shade Do Not Disturb, No Filter, Tropic Like It's Hot. Oh my god, I love that. And Pom Poms. And then we've got this limited edition, I'm probably gonna butch whatever this is called, but it's Maru Butter Lip Cream in Pop the Bubbly, which it says it's limited edition, so I'm assuming she helped create this. I'm actually gonna put some of this on now. Let's see. Wow, do you guys see the difference? Wow, okay. That is so pretty. So this might now be my new favorite lip product. Without further ado, I'm gonna spray some perfume just so I can get in the summer mood, and let's dive right into these products. The first thing I'm going to try out, I think, is the face products, because that's typically just the way that I do my makeup. This butter bronzer right here in the shade Deep. I'm just gonna do a light tap like that. There is zero fallout. I don't know if you guys can see, and you can, wow, that's quite a bit of product. Let me do a little tap. Not a whole lot came off either. Gosh, it smells so good. Okay, so ooh, wow. Okay, so you can tell a big difference from this side with this morning's leftover to right now, I really like that. Like, I feel like that doesn't look super stark or super crazy against my pale complexion, which is something I was really nervous about because I know that Casey self-tans and I do not. I have had a few spray tans in my life, but most of the time I am just a natural pale ghost of a girl. So I was nervous to see if this collection was going to work with me, and that's why I wanted to review it, because I wanted to see if this would work for us pasties out there. So far so good. I really like that. I feel like I instantly look like summer. Wow, I just really like this a lot. Super impressed. Okay, that worked for me. So butter bronzer, good. And BTW if I seem a little hyper, that's because this video is powered by Bojangles super sweet and super addicting and super strong sweet tea. All right, now that my brush is nice and clean again, I'm gonna go into this butter blush. Once again, I just did a few dots. You can see that there's quite a bit of product on there. This stuff is very pigmented, and yet again, there is no fallout. Impressed. Wow, that's gorgeous. Do you guys see that just like healthy sheen that just added to my face? I don't look so dry. I'm just gonna do another few dots, tap, tap. Wow. I am so bronzy. I like this. Is that weird? I'm okay with this. Isn't this a trend? You put it on your nose too? We'll do that. Healthy, glowing, yes. And I really like this. So this part is what I'm a little nervous about, and that is the highlight. Let's see how this looks on my skin tone. I know the formula is gonna be great because I swatched it and it just literally felt like a cream almost texture. So let's try it. We're just gonna do just a few little tap, tap, tap. Whoa. You guys seeing that? Wow. Wow, wow. Verdict is, that looks really good on my skin. Like, that does not look too gold at all. I was nervous about that. I thought it was gonna be too gold. But in person, in a mirror, it looks like just glowy skin. Wow. Blinding. Color me impressed. All right, you guys, let's attempt to recreate her nighttime look. It says apply no filter into your crease. So that was the second shade. So let me get my big fluffy blending brush and one dab of no filter. All right, that was not a lot that fell off the brush either. You guys can clearly see that, and I have no eyeshadow whatsoever. That blended beautifully. Okay. Wow. Honestly, like, I would just do this and be done because I roll like that sometimes. I'm gonna use the same brush, but if you have a smaller blending brush that with a more tapered end, you can. I do, mine's just dirty, so I'm just gonna use what I've got. So I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3 little taps. You can see that is quite a lot of product. I'm gonna do one little tap right there, and we're gonna deepen the crease in the outer V, just like she says. Dude, these are blending like a dream. So I'm gonna go do the same thing to the other eye before we move on to the next step. Now the next step is the green step, and I think I'm gonna use my fingers because I just like the way metallics look so much, because they look so much better when you apply them with your fingers or use a Fix Plus or a setting spray or something like that. I'm just gonna take pom-poms on my finger. You see that? I'm gonna apply this all over my lid. Which that did not show up. Let me try brush. Maybe these since they are so buttery, work better on a brush. Alright, so I applied it all over my lid, and on the box, that's what she says is the last step, but just to be a little extra, because hello, that's me. I'm gonna take that highlighter again, and I'm just gonna apply that on my inner corner. Hey, Bubba. Hi. It's you, come here. There he is. Say hey. Say hey over there. He's like, Mom, I don't care. I don't care about what you're doing. All right, I'll be right back with everything finished to give you guys my final thoughts. All right, you guys, this is the final look. I really like it, and it's definitely something that is outside of my comfort zone that I never would have even thought to try. All I did was go off camera and apply my false lashes as well as some mascara and a little bit of Do Not Disturb and Tropic Like It's Hot to my lower lash line. So yeah, overall, I really like how this turned out. I love the packaging. I love the formula. I love Physicians Formula. I am just obsessed with this so far. I really think this is gonna be a regular that I reach for, because I mean, it's got everything you need. It's got a lippy, it's got a scent in it, it's got your blush, your bronzer, your highlight, and your eyeshadows. Everything you need just in this really cute little packaging, which, speaking of packaging, I forgot to mention earlier, this is a lot bigger than I thought it would be. Like, here's my head, here's the packaging. It's a lot bigger than I thought it would be, but that just impressed me even more when I got it. I love Casey. I think you guys know that. I think I talked about it earlier, but I'm just really impressed. I love this collaboration. I would definitely recommend you guys going and getting it and trying. It was only, I believe, $19.95 plus shipping on Physicians Formula's website. That's where I ordered from, but I know that they have it at Ulta. But yeah, I would give this a 10 out of 10 for me, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys do, go get this. Please comment down below, come back and let me know what you guys think. If you bought it, if you tried it, did it work for you? Did it not work for you? Were there things that you liked in there more than I did? Was there things you didn't like in there that I liked? Like, I'm open to conversation. That's it for this video. I really hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up down below and subscribe and join our little fam that we've got going on right here. Almost all 50 of you guys. I am so blown away that I have another clothing haul video coming for you guys in the next week or two. As soon as my stuff gets here, it is a Forever 21 haul. So stay tuned for that, and subscribe down below and click the little bell so you don't miss it. And I love you guys. Peace out.